Hi everyone, welcome to Approved Weekly. My name's Abby, I'm the brand director here at Approved Showroom and Detailing, but today we're going to speak about everything Audi. So we've currently got around 9 Audis for sale here at Approved Showroom, and they vary completely in model. You've got RS6, RS4, S7, RSQ8, but we're going to focus on a couple of them today, and then we're going to show you shots of how they all look. Let's go! So we're going to start with Lewis. What are we focusing on? What have you chosen?
So this is a 2023 Audi RSQ8.
Nice.
The RSQ8 is built on the same platform as the Lamborghini Urus, with the same chassis and the same engine. Obviously very different body styling. This one in particular has just shy of 1,000 kilometers on the clock, so it's effectively brand new. Plus, it has the full carbon package. So the rear diffuser, the front diffuser, there's carbon fiber everywhere on this car.
And very European in terms of spec, with it being black with black, which I really like.
You've got a nice red accent stitch, which is a nice little pop of sportiness and aggressiveness.
And the Alcantara, nice.
The Alcantara, even the RS puddle lights. It's a very, very nicely spec'd option. And a little fun fact about the RSQ8. In 2019, it was the fastest production SUV around the Nürburgring. So if you want...
Not the Urus? Did they test the Urus?
They tested the Urus, and the RSQ8 was faster around the Nürburgring.
See, this is really controversial, because where you mention the Urus and the RSQ8 in the same sentence, of course there's a huge price difference, but it kind
Massive
of...
price difference.
Apart from obviously the branding and maybe the road presence, like, there's no reason why you wouldn't go for this if you're looking for... I don't know, they're just more comparable than you think, right? Because of that.
Very, very comparable. Obviously, like I say, same chassis, same engine, slightly detuned, but around the Nürburgring in 2019, this one beat the Urus.
Oh, very nice. See, even you have everything is in black on this car.
Like I mentioned, all around the grille, along the front splitter.
There's one thing I'd change though.
What?
I would make the wheels black as well.
I mean, the black on black with the black alloys, it would be a very, very nice murdered out stance.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one has these gorgeous 23-inch multi-spoke alloys.
Where's the price board?
I don't actually know.
Ah,
Oh.
Someone's in trouble. They haven't got the purchase and price board here. I think it's nowhere to be seen, but it's okay, because we're going to post the details of the car for you in case of interest. Did we mention the carbon? We mentioned the carbon. Very nice at the back.
Full carbon pack, even the exhaust tips blacked out.
And this is extra, right? This WeatherTech thing. Don't know how much it is, but never cheap these things.
No.
So if
and it's good if you're, I mean, I know it's not an off-roader, it's not exactly a Jeep Wrangler, but if you
or
are
if
going
it's raining and muddy.
Yeah, exactly, or you're going out into the desert.
You've got a pet dog.
Get the sand out.
Very nice. What do these buttons mean?
These ones on the side?
Yeah.
So this raises and lowers the trunk. So say you've got loads of shopping bags or you've got a big heavy suitcase. You can lower the trunk so that you don't have to lift that suitcase as high to get it into the trunk.
Is it moving? Can you make it move?
We might have to have the engine running for it to work.
Yeah, because I didn't see it move. But it's okay, you guys get the idea. Very nice.
A stunning model, obviously full of tech, full of features.
Very futuristic looking as well. Very nice.
Nice strip light at the back. A lot of brands are sort of going with the strip light nowadays. But it's for good reason. It looks amazing.
If you were to have an Audi, what would you have?
If I was to have an Audi,
if you were to have an Audi.
Ooh, see, I might have to set Rick up here because I do have a soft spot for the RS6.
I would say RS6 as well, to be honest. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to the RS6. Let's go.
Yep.
Right, we are waiting for the Audi Specialist, Ricardo, to be done because he's way too busy doing his job and sending a see it now to a client. I swear he was here 1 second ago and he disappeared. I've actually lost him. He was here. Where did he go? Hey! There he is. Always ready to perform.
I'm always...
Are you actually ready now?
I'm actually ready.
Oh my God.
I'm ready.
Where's the mic? Where's the mic? We can't hear him. Okay, are you going to lead us to the car that you chose, the RS6, right? We
Yes,
just
I
spoke
have one of
about
my
it.
favourite cars just over on the side. So I'm just going to lead you across. So follow me.
Okay.
Yes, boss.
Go. Go.
Yeah, so guys, as you already know, I've taken over. It's officially Audi week here at Approved. So the car I wanted to show you is this RS6 right next to me, finished in Nardo Grey. It's a carbon four sprung, so it comes fully loaded with everything you are going to need. And of course, as you know, I like a bit of carbon, so you've got your carbon details all around
Carbon
the car.
everywhere.
Carbon everywhere.
Oh, it's locked. Ricardo said, do we need the key? And I said, we don't need the key, but it's okay. We keep going, we keep going.
It's because it's for me.
Do you think I set the alarm off if I do that?
Give it a go.
Okay, carry on.
So let's start from the front and work our way around. So of course you've got your black styling package, which you can see on the front. All your grills are all blacked out. You've got your adaptive cruise control, and you also have your carbon fiber DL. So you have it down in your front splitter, down your side skirts as well. And also I'll show you the back diffuser after. You've got your matrix lights, which are the best lighting system you can get on any car.
B-roll.
You have to be able to, if you own one, you'll know. So if you know, you know. Keep working our way around. So of course you've got your incredible diamond cut alloys as well. It's something that's really special. You're only going to find this alloy on a RS6. It looks really, really nice with the black contrast, which goes really well with the black package on the car as well. Let's keep working our way around.
Japanese spec?
Yes.
What does that mean? Tell us.
So one thing that you will notice, right? You have so many misconceptions about Japanese and GCC cars. People think there's so many differences, such as the fabrics, the air conditioning, but what you'll actually find is that they're pretty much identical. Most of our customers will actually use Apple CarPlay, which is a great option, especially in this car, because you've got the wireless version and also the Android Auto. So your air conditioning is exactly the same, your fabrics are exactly the same. They make one version of the car worldwide, so you're not actually going to find any difference in a car, which is really, really nice. And as you already know, all of our cars are inspected by Munich Motorworks as well, so you know you're going to get quality from Approved.
And up to 3 years warranty as well.
Yes, so it's standard, it will come with 2 years, but you can upgrade to a 3-year package if you want. Also with your servicing in there, and even brake package, which is something that's really exclusive to us here
Yeah, very
at Approved.
different.
No one else does it apart from us.
Right, can you tell he works for Audi, by the way?
I don't anymore, I work for Approved.
In the past, I mean.
They stole me.
Audi Specialist over here, Ricardo.
They shipped me over here, business class, so I agreed to it.
If you need an Audi,
Answer it.
yes, that wasn't rehearsed. Okay, on to the next one.
Okay, where are we going?
Where are we going? Oh, you can come with us if you want.
I'll
Who we
come
gonna?
with you.
Do you want to do it, or should we ask another guy? You want to do it? You do it. You do it.
I'll
You do it. Come on,
Okay,
keep talking.
So,
S4.
okay,
go.
so we've got an S4 here. So this is literally just arrived, to be fair. So I think it's only been in the showroom for maybe 1 or 2 days.
Yeah.
So it's finished in the glacier white, which is the white metallic.
Should we play Is It Unlocked roulette?
Give it a go.
Should be unlocked. Yes, this one's
Hey.
okay. This is how it should
So
be.
you made it. So if you have a look inside, you'll see you've got your
Nice.
Alcantara seats as well,
And
which
the
are
diamond
also
stitching.
quilted. Yeah. So you should have your contrast stitching in the white.
And very comparable to the RS6 in the fact that this is 2021 as well as the other one, and
Yeah.
they both have just under 25,000 kilometers on it as well. So not comparable cars, but comparable in terms of age and kilometers.
Yeah. And you'll actually be really surprised by the performance you'll get in this car as well. You still got over 400 horsepower.
400.
So you can
This is kind of
definitely fly down the road.
inconspicuous.
Yeah. It's a undercover baby, but it will fly you down the road.
And that's what you need here in Dubai, by the way. You need a little bit of a kick, even if your car is smaller, to get out of the way. Sometimes. Depends on your driving
Drive into
style.
everyone, push them out of the way.
Red
Okay.
calipers.
So,
And lots of carbon on the interior too, which is very nice. It's nice to see there's an updated screen in here, because one thing about Audi with the previous screens is really, I don't know, you can tell me from a sales guy perspective, you know, between that old screen that used to flip up and it was quite thick and
yeah,
basic.
So
and
back in the day, they actually had a screen that used to kind of fold out of the front dash, which wasn't really ideal. So on this one, you've got the newer updated one, which you're going to have stuff like your Apple CarPlay, which you wouldn't have on the previous model, which
Android
is really nice.
Auto.
Android Auto you've
Has
got
it
as
both?
well.
Yeah.
Because some cars don't have both of them. You also see that you've got your full virtual cockpit, so you can also have the maps in the middle, which is really nice to have as well. So you literally have everything you are going to need in the car. You've even got massage seats.
And is the infotainment, is it touchscreen or is it just by the control
the one
elsewhere
in the
that I
middle
can't see
is
right now.
touchscreen, and then the one just in front of your face would be with the controls on the steering wheel.
Yeah, the virtual cockpit's very nice. I looked at an Audi S3 for myself once, and I do remember looking into it that virtual cockpit was something I really wanted, but anyway, I didn't end up getting it. So yeah, very nice.
Yeah, and one thing that is different with the Audi virtual cockpit compared to a lot of the other brands is that they actually use an OLED screen. So it means you're going to have higher quality, deeper blacks as well. And especially for here in Dubai, if you have your sunlight, you can actually still see it, which is really nice to have.
I feel like we need, you know, the little nerd emoji.
Insert nerd emoji here.
When it comes to
And
you
a
and
smile.
Audis, because you literally could talk forever on it. I love it.
At least I'm good at something.
Yeah, shall we wrap it up here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Where's Lewis? We'll find him. Lewis!
Lewis.
Lewis? Oh, perfect. Where are you, Ricardo? Okay, outro, go.
Like, comment, subscribe, visit Approved, and ask for Lewis.
They're always trying to be like Rick. Always trying to be like Rick.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
See you in the next one. Bye.